So Amber and Travis here, we're here on media day to ride the Joker Carnival of Chaos for the first time this year. Travis already rode it, so it's me and Amber's first time here. So we'll take you on the ride and enjoy the new ride, guys. So folks, this is the fun house and the queue line, but unfortunately they didn't get it done, so maybe next year, hopefully they'll get this open. But the ride itself that's what you're here for. It's amazing. So hey folks, it's T, Travis, and Amber. We're at Six Flags St. Louis here to ride the new ride, Joker Carnival of Chaos here. So what's your thought on this, Travis?
These are my favorite rides. I've ridden several of these, and I'm really happy we finally have one here.
What about you, Amber? You scared?
No, actually, I'm excited.
Excited?
This is my first ride like this.
This is her first ride on the Zebra disc here. Woo! So here we go. Oh wow. I really like the Joker music they add here.
It makes it kind of creepy.
It adds to the ride,
It does.
the experience. Oh. Oh wow. Amazing.
So awesome.
It's kind of had a similar experience to the, the, what do you call it? Like the Barton swing, the giant Barton swing.
I mean, Batman's
Screaming
my
swing.
favorite ride, but I think this one is going to be my most favorite ride.
And you wouldn't do the giant Barton swing at Silver Dollar City. Here we go. Oh, wow. What a view, guys. I wish you were here with us. You can see
We're
the
only
whole
about
park.
halfway up.
Yeah. And you get so close to Rookie Racer. Oh my God. We're about 90 degrees right now. We're going to go beyond 90 degrees. Oh, oh my God. Whoa. See how close Rookie was to us? Oh my God. Oh. Wait, let's just Oh God. Oh my God. Wow. Look at the falls. Oh my God. Woo. It spins, but it's controlled spin. It's not like, spin a little bit.
Look upside down.
You're upside down.
About a max swing, 170 feet in the air.
170 feet. 17 stories high, guys. 75 miles. Oh, I think the pump this.
Oh, they're going to dig it.
Especially the thrill seeker. Well, that's about 2 minutes. Whee! It's like a circus kind of music. That was good. Good. The public will love this. Yeah. Been wanting one for Six Flags St. Louis for the last 6 years.
Platform quest.
How do you, is that a button somewhere, Travis? It's good. So, what do you guys thought of the new ride here?
It was awesome.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, a good addition to the park.
You're gonna love it.
Yeah, I love it. It's like, I know Travis and I, we've been talking as a coaster enthusiast for 6 years. We wanted this for the Six Flags St. Louis when we had Excalibur. Until that was taken away, this was not added to our park. But it is a great addition to the park. You guys need to come out here, enjoy this new ride. It will be open to the public tomorrow here for opening of Fright Fest.
Yep, Friday the 13th.
Yeah, it's going to be great. And they have smoke, and the theming is amazing. While you ride, you can hear the music and everything. All right, guys, this is T.
Travis.
And Amber, thank you for joining us here Media Day at Six Flags St. Louis.